Okay, so if you have a logo or an image that you want to put across the top instead of having the text as it is laid out here, this is where you're going to do that. Now, we created a logo in Canva in a previous video, and that's what we're going to use in this video. So you can see here, it gives us the same kind of parameters that it gave us in the site icon. It says, while you can crop images to your liking after clicking Add New Image, your theme recommends a header size of 800 by 340 pixels. Now what that means is when you go to add an image, and I'll just show you an example real quick, as far as when it says you can crop the image. If I add an image, and let's just say that I want to use this sandwich. And when I select it, it says over here, select and crop. Now what it's going to do is it's going to give me this panel where I can select the area that I want to use for my header image. Now we're not going to use the sandwich for this. I just wanted you to see how that cropping tool works. I'm going to come back here and now I'm going to create an image again in Canva, but this time 800 by 340 pixels, and I'm going to use the logo that we created in the previous video. So I'm going to head over here to Canva. Again, I'm going to use custom dimensions. And you see this dialog box comes up again, and we're going to just go back and check these. It's 800 by 340 pixels. Design, and what that's going to do is it's going to prepare a canvas that's perfectly sized for that dimension. Now I'm going to click over here to uploads, and I'm going to upload my own image, because remember previously we downloaded our logo to our computer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and grab that PNG file and open it up and bring it into my design here, and just give it a second. Once it's up, and you can see that it's working over here, and then once it's ready, I can click on this and it's going to bring it in to that area. Now you can see what I can do is I can grow it bigger, and I can center it so it's correct. It's going to use that area, it's going to keep it within that size area that I need perfectly for my website. So that makes sense right there. So I'm going to download it once again. And again, I'm going to use a PNG download. Okay, then I'm going to come back over to my customization panel. I'm going to add a new image. I'm going to upload, select file. And again, you can name these and organize these a little better. I'm just pulling them from my downloads folder, but if I select that and I open it up, it's going to be sized perfectly. So down here, select and crop, and you're not going to need to crop because you can see that it's already cropped to the correct size. There you go. And you see once you do that, you can see that it puts it, as it says, as a background image, instead of exactly where we want it in the middle here as our logo. That's because we still have our site identity displayed as text over here. You can see how it says display, site, title, and tagline. If we uncheck that, what that'll do is it'll remove the text and just use our logo. Now I'm going to head back over to the header image so we can see that. And you can see that that's basically all you have to do. Now there is other options in here that the Foodie theme gives you. You can add several different header images that can randomize, so every time someone goes to the website there's a different image there, but I wouldn't really recommend that, and I'm not really going to go over it. So that's about it for the logo header image, and in the next one we're going to be talking about colors and typography.